Hey fourth graders, welcome to page 183 and 184. This is review, which is really good because these are great review questions, you guys, to help you remember the things that we have been learning about fractions, that we have been learning about division, Roman numerals, more fractions, and more fractions. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at number 1, letter A. It says change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. Guys, this is what we did just the other day. But it was like Tuesday, I think. So I just want to remind you, and I'm going to have you do a few by yourself and check them with you so you know how to do them. Remember what you do. You start with the denominator. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. And what's on the denominator? 4, because the denominator never changes. So remember, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 over 4 is your answer because the denominator never changes, okay? Let me do letter B as well in front of you so you can keep remembering. 3 times 1 plus 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. What's the denominator? 3 because the denominator doesn't change, okay? So those are your answers for that one. Try C by yourself and let's check your answer. Okay, ready? Tell me what you get for your answer, Chica. 13 over 7, right? 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6 is 13 over 7 because the denominator doesn't change. Guys, try letter D by yourself. Okay, Scarlett, what'd you get, Chica? 13 over 9, right? 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13, and our denominator doesn't change. Okay, try letter E by yourself. Okay, Kiana, what'd you get, buddy? 16 over 7, right? 7 times 2 is 14 plus 2 is 16 with a 7 on the bottom because the denominator doesn't change. Okay, that's how you do those. So you guys can do the rest by yourself. Look at number 2, letter A. Number 2, letter A. Go ahead and try it by yourself or we'll check it together. We've been doing these for a while, but I still want to make sure you remember. Do it by yourself. Okay, stop the video if you need more time. We know that 1/4 is not possibly subtracted by 2/4. We can't do 1 minus 2. So we cross out the 9, and we make an 8 and add what over here? Holly? 4 over 4, right? So that equals 5 over 4. 5 minus 2 is 3 over 4. And 8 minus 6 is 2. Can you reduce? No, so there's your answer. Try letter B by yourself and we'll come back and check it. Okay, stop the video if you need more time. Look what we need to do first. Okay, what do we need to do first, Keanu? Common denominator, right? What's our common denominator, buddy? 15, because 15 divided by 5 is possible, so 15 is our common denominator. 5 times what equals 15, Hallie? 3, so 3 times 3, 9. Then this one stays the same because the denominator is the same, so that's 8. Woohoo! We don't even have to borrow on this one, so now we just subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1 over 15. 11 minus 9 is 2. Wahoo! Okay, that means you can do the rest on your own. Number 3, you guys know how to do division, so go for it. Number 4, look, 100 to what? It says write the Roman numerals from 100 to 1,000, okay? But counting by hundreds. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Don't say 1,000, 1,000, okay? Write down in Roman numerals 100 through 1,000, counting by hundreds. Go for it, okay? Fernanda, I haven't called on you yet, so you're going to help me with some of these. Look at number 5, letter A. Marissa's mother needs 1 1/4 yards of material for a skirt. 3/4 yards for a vest. And 1 1/3 yards for a blouse. How many yards of material does she need in all? So Fernanda, are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Adding, and guys, you gotta write it like this. And then find your common denominator, and that's all I'm gonna tell you to do. The rest is up to you. Have fun. Okay, look at letter B. Emily and her dog, Scott, walked 3 miles at the rate of 3 miles per hour. How long did it take them to walk 3 miles? Okay, they were going 3 miles at the rate of 3 miles per hour. I'm going to give you a hint. Divide it, okay? If they can go 3 miles and 3 miles at the rate of 3 miles every hour, how long does it take to do 3 miles? Divide and see what you get as your answer. You're going to think, I don't know, it's just, is that really the answer? Yes, it is, okay? So I'll check it when I see it. Look at number 6. I want you to try that on your own because I think that you should remember, and it just takes a little bit of analysis. Okay, so I'm not going to say anything there. Number 7, I'm not going to say anything for. And number 8. Remember what you do on number 8. Change 2 mixed numbers or whole numbers. 11 over 5. Okay, when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, what do you do? Sum. Divide like this and put your remainder as a fraction. Good job. 5 into 11 is 2. That's 10. That's 1 over what, Fernanda? 5. Wahoo. Okay, and then don't do number 9. Cross it out. Cross it out, cross it out, cross it out, and then you'll be done for the day. Okay, guys, that's it. You guys can do this así, rápido, I know it. Have a great day. Happy Friday.